Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new, my name is Daniela. No, of what? That's my brother making noise. On this channel, I like to just talk about everything that I love, things that I'm passionate about. I have no strict curriculum or content. I just basically go with the flow and I share videos with you guys that I'm passionate about. So one of my biggest passions is makeup, so therefore all of the makeup videos. But I also am like a luxury junkie. I do have like a fairly small luxury collection. I just want to make it clear that I'm not bragging. I am just here to talk to you guys in case you guys are interested about luxury items. So I want to talk to you guys about my 5 staple products or items in my luxury collection. These range from shoes. I'll just show you guys in a few what I'm going to talk to you guys about. But I just think if you're into luxury items, it's always good to do some research and to see what's on the market, see what you can afford, see what's in your budget, and also just get an idea of something that you might want to treat yourself to or spoil yourself too. So I don't think there's anything wrong with spending your hard-earned money on luxury. It's all personal preference. Now that we got that out of the way. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys 5 of my favorite smaller luxury items because I don't have a huge collection. I just have a few pieces here and there that I've collected over the years. So I just want to share with you guys my favorite 5 items and give you guys an idea so that if you're looking or are in the market for any of these products, now you have a review from moi. So first, just get into sunglasses. I've mentioned these before. These are a pair of Celine sunglasses. I did purchase these quite a few years ago, but they've definitely held up extremely well. I think that the quality of these sunglasses is very durable. And these are what they look like. Link everything that I bought down below. So I did buy these new, but I'm also a big fan of pre-loved items, and I will link some websites down below. So if you guys are in the market for some pre-loved designer items, you can check that out. I think it's such a great concept that you can buy something at a much more discounted rate. It's again, off the rant. I did want to talk about these sunglasses. Like I said, I bought these a few years ago. They've definitely kept their shape. They haven't stretched on me. Like I said, they're very durable and they block out the sun like 100%. So if you are very sensitive to the sun and you need sunglasses, or you want sunglasses that are designer, but also, you know, serve a purpose and actually block out the sun, you guys should definitely check this out. I've really been loving them, and I am probably going to be selling them very soon. I'm thinking about it and then using that money to buy kind of like something that's on my wish list. But yeah, so keep an eye out on my Poshmark closet. I'm going to list that down below. So if you guys want to shop my closet, you can always do that. I sell gently used items, and yeah. So keep an eye out for these. These might go up very soon. So the second item I want to talk to you guys about is something that I've bought pre-loved. I think I bought this on Fashion File or Tradesy, and this is the Louis Vuitton keychain holder. So I just have my keys on there. I don't know the exact name, but it's in the monogram print. Or if you guys want to start off your luxury collection with a small piece, I would definitely say look into buying like small keychain pouches. I mean, not only is this cute, it also does serve a purpose. So I only have my 1 key, nothing very exciting, but you could fit a lot of keys on this ring. And also this works as a lock. So a lot of times if I'm just going to get my nails done, or if I just need a debit card, my ID, and some cash, I'll literally just throw that in there instead of bringing my wallet, and it serves as a dual function. It's just cute, compact. It's easy to find in your bag because it's pretty, you know, it's a pretty big set. it's a pretty decent size. So I've had this now for probably almost 2 to 3 years, and it was used, and it's definitely kept its shape. The canvas looks impeccable. Like, I just need to clean it with like a non-alcoholic wipe to kind of refresh and clean up the canvas. Now there's definitely tarnishing. Come on. There's definitely some tarnishing on the zipper, which is expected. That happens with most, that does happen in general on earrings. Like, it just happens in general. So I'm not too mad about that. Third thing I'll talk about is jewelry, specifically Michelle watches. So this is my Michelle watch here. I don't know the exact style, frame, or whatever. I was lucky enough to receive this as a gift a few years back. And what I love about these Michelle watches is that they're classic. So once again, this is a piece that's going to last you for years and years. It's held, like, oh my god, it just looks impeccable after all. Like, I wear this a lot. Like, this is my everyday watch. You know, the way I see it is, like, if you're spending money on something, you need to get your use out of it. Like, why would you let it sit in a closet, sit in a drawer? Get your use out of it. You spent your money. So yeah, I love this Michelle watch. Item that I'm so happy to have gotten is the Gucci belt. Oh my god. I literally saw this, the stitching inside, and I thought it was ants in the bag. I just want to quickly just talk about this. I am running out of time on my SD card. So it's been about a year. You know, it's been a while. I've been definitely looking at the Gucci belt. By the way, this is the one I got my hands on. It's not the typical like smooth emblem. It is kind of raised and ribbed. I don't know if that's the right term. I've been looking at the Gucci belts for a while, and I haven't been able to commit. I think it was just the thickness of the actual leather that didn't work well for me. So I tried the regular, like, thicker size, and I put it on, and I hated it. And so I decided against it. And then I also tried the really thin one, and that one also just didn't work out for me. I wasn't liking the way it was looking on my jeans. It just didn't fit, like, correctly on my belt. Like, on my, you know, when you wear your jeans, like where the button is, it just looked funny. So this thickness is actually like a kind of in between the large and the extremely skinny thickness. I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally like the perfect size. It fits me so nicely, and it honestly does put every outfit together. I can't tell you how many times I put an outfit on and I always felt like something was missing. I just needed something to tie it in, and now that I have the belt, I'm like, this is really what was missing. Like, it really just dresses up your outfit and definitely takes it to the next level. And once again, it is definitely an item that's going to last you for years. Gucci has been around forever, and I don't see the hype dying down anytime soon. So I'm definitely lucky and happy that I have that in my collection, and it's just honestly a great piece. And the last item I want to talk to you guys is about a pair of shoes. Now, these are definitely more geared towards the summertime, so I won't be getting any use out of them probably until next summer, because I think fall is approaching us. But it's this pair of, I don't even want to touch the bottom. Clearly, I've been loving them. But it's this pair of Chanel kind of espadrille slides. And I did get this as a birthday present. I'm not touching them, so these are what they look like. They're just very simplistic, but they have that Chanel touch with the, they have that Chanel touch. So they have their chain link, and then they just have this little, I don't know if you guys can see. So I will say at first it was a little bit difficult to break them in, but because they're leather, it did take a little bit of breaking in to get them to fit my foot. But after finally breaking them in, I like wore these nonstop all summer. As you can tell, like the writing is already, what's that word? The writing is already rubbed off. You take care of these items, I think they will definitely last you a very long time. So it's something to consider when you're buying a luxury piece, is that yes, you are paying for the name. Of course, you're paying for that name, but you're also paying for quality. I haven't had a bad experience with any of these purchases. They've all lasted me a very long time. They've been reliable. And you know, I would definitely say they are worth the money. But if you guys are in the market and you do want to save some money, definitely check out the pre-loved market. My favorite sites are Fashion File and Tradesy. I've purchased from them before, and I can say that I'm comfortable with them, and I know that they are authentic. Oh, and the Real. So the Real is also another site, but they have 2 retail stores, which I just discovered. So when I was in LA, we were just driving by, I forgot the street, but I'm like, the Real. I'm like, wait, they have a store? So I was like so happy to see that. I went in the store and I just literally stared at everything. I'm like, I want you, but I can't afford you. I want you, but I can't afford you, and so on and so forth. So they have 2 store locations, and one of them is in Los Angeles. One is in Los Angeles and the other is in Soho. So if you're in the New York, New Jersey area, you guys can get your hands on some really good quality pre-loved items. So just check them out. It sounds like I'm an ad, honestly, but I don't work with either companies. Although, hey, if you guys want to work with me, hi, I'm right here. Yeah, those are my top 5 favorite luxury pieces. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this kind of video, please do give it a like. And if you like my videos in general, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me. And also, don't forget, there's a bell icon next to the subscribe button. Just hit that so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified.